Are you in the doubt and the fear? Or maybe another lower level emotion? Use the universal energies to switch to a better feeling. It's all about vibes, and a vibration is a feeling. The universe's only job is to match vibration. It's obedient, and it doesn't differentiate between positive and negative. It just matches vibration and brings more of the same. More for you to feel doubt and fearful about. Making your only job to keep your vibration high. So how do you do that? Well, let's start with the emotional guidance scale. So here's the emotional guidance scale. The top left, we are at empowerment. Down to the bottom right, disempowerment. The right is a downward spiral and the left is the upward spiral. Looking at the left, from contentment, we are in the vortex, in manifestation mode. So take a look at this scale and pinpoint where you are on the scale. So tomorrow we'll revisit this and look at how we walk our way up the vibration scale and into the vortex. Follow me, and I hope to see you tomorrow. And thank you for listening. Madeline, your Mind Switch coach.